bro. Here we go. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. These guys. We out here at Six Flags, about to get on these rides. Hot as hell out here, trying to find my group.
A few minutes later.
What do you think, David? You getting on, bro? my boy don't like roller coasters, but we're about to get him on. What about you guys? You guys like roller coasters? Seasoned vet? I don't know, bro. It should look pretty long though.
Nah,
You say it ain't that bad. We gonna see. My boy's gonna get on a ride. First roller coaster since you were a kid. Now you're starting to get me scared, bro. Alright, we lit. Let's go.
oh, these are Kirky seats.
Bro, I better hold on to this shit, I
actually wasn't expecting that.
Damn, with young Whiplash. Hey, see, you liked it, David?
Yes, sir.
Good job. I clap, but I'm recording.
Oh, shit. Y'all got gas.
I don't know if I'm built for this anymore. That's the part. Oh God. These guys about to get on this, what's this thing called? The Pacific Speedway. So everybody's just chilling. Hot as long ass lines, so we haven't really got on too many rides. I think we did like 3 rides. I got a headache. I ain't even gonna lie. I might not be cut out for this roller coaster life anymore. Did they?
How much you weigh? Yeah, they're cleaning up. I think the little girl. Hey, come on.
Are you sure? I think she's just stuck.
Oh, they took paper.
Well, I'm glad she did it over there.
Imagine throwing up right on top of us.
Alright, this girl might throw up. They say that she threw up because this is their second time. They say that she threw up on the first one. I don't know.
Tower Alpha 3, 2, 1, fly.
Did she make a throw up sound or what?
I don't know. She was coming in her mouth though.
There they go. Got Marcos, Tony, and Franco. Look at Tony.
I'm scared.
They're all scared, huh? They got the arms interlocked like they ain't letting go.
3, 2, 1, fly.
Who was that, bro? Who let out that little moan?
Someone did a moan.
That was Tony, huh? How you feeling, Dave? You ready?
I think so.
Think so? About to find out.
Just grab on the bar. Just grab on the bar. Hey, we're a little high up off the ground, huh?
A little bit.
A little bit. Nothing too crazy, I guess. Holy shit, I didn't do it this time. Oh, wee wee. Oh, they gotta see the drop. Oh, it's right here.
I'm about to pass out, bro.
Oh shit! I wasn't expecting that! Oh! No wonder you get a concussion! God damn! My fucking shoulder!
Oh, I'm dizzy as fuck, bro.
I thought it was over. Holy shit. I know, what did it tell you?
Nah, that's one of the worst ones, bro.
Literally.
God damn.
I felt like I got beat up.
Hey, how was it, David?
Chilling, bro.
Bruh. Hey, how was it, David?
Chilling, bro.
Hey, David, if you could go through that one, bro, you're good. That one's rough, bro.
I got scared, dude. I grabbed myself on your side. What did I see?
Yo. Last ride of the day right here. We out here.
Hey, is it too late to get off the ride?
Too late, bro. A little bit. Not too bad. Where's it at? Cool, honey. Alright, you good? Look at the view, bro.
I know, see everything. Except what we're going down. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Here we go. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh
I was grabbing on this thing so hard. My hands are like cramping from holding it so hard.
It ain't my birthday, G. Yes, it is. Dear Lord, I'm not a fool. You can grab it, put it in the middle.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Juan and Franco. Happy birthday to you. All right, I'll light it again. That way Juan can blow it.
I wish for 10 speed. Ah!